done milking and feeding the cattle this morning, and the boys and I rounded up a group of about 20 to 25 cows that needed either a trim or a couple might be hobbling. Jason Batiglia out of Ortonville, Michigan. I canceled on him last month because it was 90-some degrees, 100 degrees heat index or something. About 90 today. I didn't, but it's important. You've got to have them come and check them cows out. Even though the cows, there's a little more stress on them, we try to get rid of as much stress as possible, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Man, that's some bright looking green stuff, isn't it? Got great color to it.